Welcome to an oasis on the outskirts of Hamburg, a dream home far from the city's hustle and nestled in serene greenery. Here you'll find peace, space, and a true sense of freedom. This villa offers everything the heart desires across approximately 400 square meters, 9 spacious rooms, an open concept design, and remarkable features such as an outdoor pool, jacuzzi, and a private sauna. A glass elevator and floating staircase bring a unique, modern flair, exuding elegance and lightness. Extensively renovated in 2019, this property is not only stylish, but also fully self-sufficient, powered by solar panels. It's a stunning example of how an old family home can be transformed when comfort, sustainability, and modern design come together. The Mediterranean ambience and the expansive 800 square meter plot invite you to relax and offer plenty of space for the whole family. This villa is more than just a house. It's a home, an oasis of tranquility, and a place to truly save a life. Welcome home.